Good morning, guys. Right, this is an extension to go on the front of the car to make it twice as long, more or less. I think you can probably work out what we're doing here. We're going to double the length of the car, which will allow us to put more rubber bands on there, but we don't actually need more rubber bands. What I'm more interested in is trying to get it to run straight, because when you've got a short wheelbase, any slight deviation is magnified. Right, I might need to trim that a little bit just to make sure it fits in there, but I think that'll do the job. I think that'll go in there, and then it'll be twice as long. So I'll trim that and we'll give it a go. Obviously I'll move the wheels to the front as well. Well, that's a good tight fit. If we attach the rubber band there, then we're probably okay. If we attach it up there, then I expect it will spring apart and we'll probably need to glue it instead. But I'm quite pleased with that. That's a good fit. Oh yes, that was much easier and much straighter. And he's got a washing machine on, so it's a bit noisy in here. We'll put the camera back up here, see if we can hit it. Well, I think that proved the point. Making it longer made it easier to keep it straight when it was running. No other changes to it. Same wheels, same rubber band, just doubled the length.